Hey everyone, this is a quick setup and demonstration of the Lebowen vintage train track set. Now this is a 38-piece assembly, nothing too major, nothing like a Lego set, and it comes with one battery operated locomotive. Now, there were no instructions to this, so I basically looked at the photograph on the box and tried to copy what I saw, started piecing together the lines and curves. Now this piece here, this is like the main piece. This is kind of fascinating to me. This gives it its, I guess it's rigidity and fluidity, if you will. It obviously keeps the track in place, but it also gives it like this ability to move that I think is what keeps all of this working. This is like a 2-layer set, so I kind of built I built the top part up first, and then worked my way around, or the other way around. Just keep going, just keep connecting pieces, looking at the photograph on the box. Now all of the track pieces are connected. And you can start attaching the underneath ramp. And everything just pretty much snaps together. There are no tools necessary. And then this little green bridge here, kind of put it on, I guess inside out. I put it on wrong, I put it on wrong again. Eventually I got it on. I think I might have had it on right the first way. And you attach these arches. And that's pretty much it. Now, full disclosure, the screw on my locomotive got stripped right away, so it's kind of a cheap plastic part. It still does work. I'm able to put the battery in, and I use a little piece of tape or something to attach the plastic battery cover, and you turn on the switch and there it goes, and it'll go like this for quite a while on just one battery. All in all, not a bad little toy for just $9.99. I'm not sure if it's available anymore. It's not available on Amazon, but maybe you can find it somewhere else, or you can find an updated version of it. Maybe they fixed that problem with the battery door. But not a bad little desk ornament or a table ornament. Little autonomous train. It's a nice conversation piece. And if you liked the video, please remember to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.